This video is me unboxing and setting up my Tekky Toys replacement parts. I ordered a limousine zombie boy, and I didn't really need the whole thing because my problem was the head was not turning side to side or the mouth wasn't working, so I just modded it and made it spit. You can check out my video, it's in the description. But I just asked the customer service, hey, can you send me a new head? And they said, nope, you gotta buy the whole thing. So they sent me a whole new one. So I mean, I guess that's better. And then I also got a lunging lily body, and I'll explain that later. But I just got a new one because I fixed the mouth and it left a lot of things broken, so I just wanted a new one. And lastly, in 2017, I bought a levitator girl, and I brought it broken because it was more inexpensive, but the module is broken. It was not moving, so I just had to buy a new module, but that's it. As you may know, if you saw my other Lunging Lily video, you would know that I bought her broken. She did not lunge, and also her mouth made this really loud cracking sound, which I fixed both issues. The lunging was that the small torque gear was split, which is a pretty common issue in all the jumping props. A lot of the Tekky Toys jumping props had that issue, but that was the issue with that, and I fixed it. For some reason, the plastic snapped in half, so if it was being held together, it would be fine, but if it wasn't being held together, it would not. And then the mouth mechanism, I glued it shut, and I think I added some duct tape around it or something to make it really tight so it wouldn't make the sound. And now, a lot of haunters say that you're supposed to leave props in the up position with the springs extended, which is correct. You should not leave your springs bent, otherwise it will jump slow, it will do something slow. But I actually do something a little different to make mine even jump even better. I full on just take off the springs unless I'm using them, and that may be a little extra work, but if you haven't noticed, the springs actually go farther than the props when the prop is standing up. So that really means that even if it is in the up position, there's still pressure on it. So even if you do have it in the up position, it will still jump slower than when you first got it. That's why I leave my springs undone, so it jumps as well as possible. So so the springs really go farther than it really should, but that's what makes it jump fast. That's another thing that makes it jump fast. My limb-eating zombie boy, his hair came off, I guess, in shipping, or maybe it wasn't even there, the glue came off. But, yeah, so later on I'll show a clip of him working with the hair and without the hair. You guys need to decide which is better. Please let me know in the comments which version of the limb-eating zombie boy is better. Now, the levitator girl module is pretty straightforward. I just set up the whole levitator girl as you would, as Tekky shows you in their videos, and as anyone would. It's just a very simple setup. with the Levitator Girl, like Lunging Lily, I removed the springs, which is kind of weird on that one because it's not really a lunging or jump scare prop. It's more creepy. But when I checked when I was messing around with the old Levitator Girl module, it went up very slow, and I'm guessing that's because the store left it in the down position, because that's what they did overnight for 60 days for 2 months. But so I didn't want to make it go that slow because in the video it goes fairly fast. So I'm thinking I removed the springs and I'll probably just put them back when I use it, but that's a lot more work. I may not recommend that, but I really recommend taking out the springs for a jumping prop or like Jumping Spider or Lunging Lily or those kind of techie props. I really recommend it.